we learned part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5 in trigonometry. Now we are learning part 6 in trigonometry. Now trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. This is a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC is right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So let angle C is equal to theta. Angle C is equal to theta. Angle A plus angle B 90 degrees plus angle C is equal to theta is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to 180 plus 90, other side is minus 90, as well as theta plus theta, other side minus theta. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 90. So 90, 180 minus 90, 90 minus theta. So angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. Angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. B is equal to 90 degrees. C is equal to theta. Next, we will find sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. This is 90 minus theta. So sin opposite side by hypotenuse side. Sin 90 minus theta opposite side BC. So A opposite is A side, B opposite side is B, C opposite side is C. Let A angle opposite side is BC is equal to A. B angle opposite side is equal to AC is equal to B. C opposite side is equal to A. AB is equal to C. Sin 90 minus theta, opposite side of angle 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. 90 minus theta opposite side BC by hypotenuse is equal to AC. BC is equal to A, AC is equal to B. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to A by B. Cos theta is equal to cos adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse. So cos theta, where is theta? This theta. Cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side BC by AC. BC by AC. Oh, so A by B. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to A by B. Cos theta is equal to A by B. So sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Is it understand? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. As well as cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. So cos 90 minus theta adjacent side AB by AC. AB is equal to C by B. Sin 90 cos 90 minus theta is equal to C by B. Sin theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Sin theta, this is sin theta, opposite side AB by hypotenuse AC. AB is equal to C, AC is equal to B. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to C by B. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to C by B. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Next, cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant hypotenuse by opposite side of angle 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Hypotenuse AC by opposite BC. So AC is equal to B, BC is equal to A. Secant theta, secant theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta by secant hypotenuse side, hypotenuse by adjacent side of angle theta. Secant hypotenuse by adjacent side angle theta. Hypotenuse theta, hypotenuse AC by adjacent side BC. AC B, BC A. So cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side of 90 minus theta. Hypotenuse AC adjacent side AB. AC is equal to B by AB is equal to C. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to B by C. As well as cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side of angle theta. Cosecant theta hypotenuse AC by opposite side AB. So AC B by C. So secant 90 minus theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Next, tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan opposite side of angle 90 minus theta by adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta opposite side BC, adjacent side AB. So BC is equal to A, AB is equal to C. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side of angle 90 minus theta, adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta. So BC by AB, A by C. So cot theta is equal to cot theta adjacent side of angle theta by opposite side of angle theta. Adjacent side theta BC by opposite side AB is equal to BC A by AB C, A by C. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So as well as cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta by opposite side of angle 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta adjacent side AB, opposite side BC. So AB is equal to C, BC is equal to A. Tan theta opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta. Tan theta, this is theta, opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. AB is equal to C, BC is equal to A. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. We find out sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So let us go to exercise 11.3. So exercise is in here. Solution is here. Don't fear. I am here. My dear students. First sum. Tan 36 by cot 54. Solution is tan 36 by cot 54. Cot 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 is equal to 54. So I may cot 54 is equal to cot 90 minus 36. So cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. We knew that cot 90 minus 36 is equal to tan 36. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Theta means 36. Cot 90 minus 36 is equal to tan 36. So tan 36 by cot 90 minus 36 is equal to tan 36. Tan 36 to tan 36 crossed. So answer is 1. Second sum. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees given. Solution is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 to sin 90 minus 12 degrees. 90 minus 12, 78. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. We knew that sin 90 minus 12 is equal to cos 12. So cos 12 degrees minus sin 90 minus 12, sin 90 minus 12, cos 12 degrees. So cos 12 degrees minus cos 12 degrees 0. Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Solution cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Secant 90 minus 31. 90 minus 31 is equal to 59. So secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Theta means 31. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta. Secant 90 minus 31, cosecant 31. So cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 is equal to 0. Next, sin 15 degrees, secant 75 degrees. Sin 15 degrees, secant 75 degrees. Solution, sin 15 degrees, secant 75, secant 90 minus 15. Secant 90 minus 15 is equal to 75. So secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So sin 15 into secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta. 90 minus 15, cosecant 15. Cosecant 15. So sin 15 degrees into cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. We knew that in part 1 trigonometry. So cosecant 15 degrees is equal to 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin 15. So 1 by sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees, sin 15 degrees, crossing one answer. So as well as tan 26 degrees, tan 64 degrees. Solution, tan 26 degrees into tan 64, 90 minus 26 degrees. 90 minus 26 degrees. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 26 degrees into tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Tan 90 minus 26 cot 26. Cot 26. Tan 26 degrees. Cot 26 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 26 degrees. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So tan 20 degrees cot 26 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 26 degrees. Tan 26 degrees, tan 26 degrees is equal to 1 answer. Second sum, show that tan 48, tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. So tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48 42, as well as tan 74 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16. So tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, LHS is equal to tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 means 90 minus 48, tan 74, tan 90 minus 16. So tan 48, tan 16, tan 90 minus 48, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot 48, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot 16 degrees. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. We knew that. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Theta means here 48. Theta means here 16. So tan 48, tan 16, cot 48 to 1 by tan 48. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. We also knew it. Cot 48 1 by tan 48, as well as cot 16 1 by tan 16. Tan 16 to tan 16 to cross. Tan 48 to tan 48 cross. So 1 is equal to RHS. Next, same cot 36 to cot 54, cos 54. Sin 36 to sin 54 is equal to 0. LHS. Cot 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 90 minus 36 to 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 36. Sin 90 minus 54 36. As well as sin 54 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 to 54. So cot 36 cos 54. Cot 36 to cos 54. This is cot 36, not cos 36. Cos 36. This is cos 36. Cos 36. Question cos 36. So cos 36 to cos 54 minus sin 90 minus theta cos theta cos 54. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta cos 36. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. You also find it. Cos sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta plus cos 36 cos 54 minus cos 54 cos 36 plus is equal to 0. Third sum, tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. So tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta cot 90 minus 2a. May I write? Right, sir? So tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Remove both side cot. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Remove cot both sides. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So 90 minus 18 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a minus 2a other side plus 2a. 108 is equal to 3a. So 3a is equal to 108. A is equal to 108 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 ja 9, 18, 3 36. So a value 36. Fourth sum, if tan a is equal to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. So tan a is equal to cot b. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan a cot 90 minus a is equal to cot b. Cot b. Tan a tan cot 90 minus a. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So cot tan a is equal to cot 90 minus a. Both sides remove cot. Remove cot. 90 minus a is equal to b. 90 is equal to a other side plus a b. So a plus b is equal to 90. So a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. If a, b, c are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. In triangle ABC, three angles are 180 degrees. A plus b plus c are 180 degrees. A plus b plus c are 180 degrees. So a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. A plus b is equal to 180 minus c. Both sides divided by 2. Both sides divided by 2. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 minus c by 2. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus c by 2. A plus b by 2 is equal to 290 minus c by 2. So apply both side tan. Apply both side tan. Tan a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Here theta is equal to c by 2. Cot theta, cot c by 2. This is the answer. Sixth sum. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. Sin 75 degrees, sin 90 minus 15 degrees plus cos 65, cos 90 minus 25 degrees. May I write 90 minus 15, 75. 90 minus 25, 65. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So, sin 90 minus 15, sin 90 minus 15, sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. So, sin 90 minus 15, cos 15 plus cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus 25, theta means 25. Cos 90 minus 25, sin 25. So, cos 15, sin 25. Between 0 to 45 degrees. Between. 11.3 exercise is completed. Yeah.